Hello everyone, myself Professor Jaya Suryavanshi, and in today's lectures I will cover the contents of the data warehouse. So what is the importance of the warehouse in the data science and big data technologies? What are the characteristics of data warehouse? What are the benefits of the data warehouse? Limitations of the data warehouse, and what are the different issues related with the data house? We will cover these things through this lecture. So now we will discuss what is the data warehouse. So every business generates the large amount of data. For example, a bank may have the data from the several branches. An insurance company has data from the thousands of local branches, and a productions company may have the data from the various resources. The data of any organizations related with their company's product or services, customers, transaction, etc. So business requires such a data to decide their time to time business strategies. So there are the various aspects about which the business has to be aware, like the customers and which product or services they expected, the highest and lowest margin customer, the effective product promotions and the methodologies, the most effective distribution channels, the impact of the new product and the services on the revenue and the margin. So for all this purpose data is required, but getting such data becomes very difficult because most of the time such data is scattered, unavailable or in complex form. So these are the problems solved by the terms that is the data warehouse. So the definitions we can say of the data house, it is data warehouse. It is a single, complete and consistent storage of data obtained from the variety of different sources, made available to end user in what they can understand and use in a business context. So this generated data is stored for a long time, which permit the access to historical data. The data warehouse provide one spot solutions of data, which is used for creating the analytical reports for knowledge workers throughout the enterprises. So for examples of a report could range from annual and quarterly comparisons and trends to details, daily sales and analysis. So the general expectations of users are related to any kind of the data are across the enterprises the data should be integrated. The proper summary of the data should be available. The historical data is also very important, which should be easily available. So in other words, we can say that data warehouse is a process of transferring the raw data into the systematic informations and making it available to user as per the requirement in the timely manner. So this is all about the data warehouse. Now this data warehouse have the few characteristics we have listed here, that is the subject oriented, integrated, time variant and the non-volatile. So what is the subject oriented? It is possible to perform the data warehouse on the particular subject area. That means it provides the informations about the subject without the necessary details of organization's current operations. So the subject may be the customer, may be the employee, product, transactions, distributor, etc. The main goal of the data warehouse is to focus on modeling and analysis of data, which help in decision making. Next one characteristics is integrated. The data from the different sources like the relational database, flat files is collected to build the data warehouse. This collected data is then integrated to enhance the effective analysis of the data. Next one is the time variant. As per the requirement of the data is stored in the warehouse are identified through the specific time period. Informations can be returned historical point of view from the data warehouse. And last one is a non-volatile. So the data stored in the warehouse remains stable and safe because when new data is added, the previous data is not erased, and this makes data more reliable. The data warehouse is always separated from the operational database, because of which any changes in the operational database does not affect the data warehouse. So there is a lot of benefits of the data warehouse. We have mentioned few one. First one is the data warehouse deliver the enhanced business intelligence. So data warehouse provide the data from various sources. It helps managers and executives to take the decision about the business strategies. Also, the business intelligence can be applied to various business processes like the marketing, segmentations, inventory management, financial management, and the sales. Second is the more cost-effective decision making. So the overall cost of the product is reduced by the decreasing the number of channels in the data warehouse. Third one is the better enterprise intelligence. It helps to provide the better enterprise intelligence. Fourth one is the enhanced customer services. It is used to enhance the customer services. Fifth one is the data warehouse save time. So the critical data from the various source available at one place to help the increase in speed of the decisions. The time to generate the data from the different source get saved. Sixth one is the data warehouse enhance the data quality and the consistency. So the data convergence from the numerous source systems into a common format is done in data warehouse. This common format of data is used by the various departments of the business to produce some result. It increases the quality and consistency of the data. Next one is the data warehouse provide the historical intelligence. So data warehouse store the data from long time period. This historical data is used to analyze different time period and train in order to make the future prediction. Last one is a potential high return on investment. The investment in the implementation of data warehouse is a potentially high between the 10 lakh to 50 lakhs. However, the returns on the investment in data warehouse may be reach up to the 400% in the next 3 years. So these are the benefits of the data warehouse. But still there is some limitation is also there in the data warehouse. Now we will discuss these things. What are the limitations related with your data house? So understanding the resource of the data loading. So this is the first limitations. So sometimes it becomes difficult to gauge the times durations for extract, clean and load the data into the data warehouse. Data warehouse providing some tools to reduce the time for entire process, but still the required time durations may be more than our estimated time limit. So next one is the hidden problems with the resource systems. Some hidden problems may be associated with the system which load the data into the data warehouse. These problems, if remains undetected, then may lead to any serious issue. Requirement data not captured. Required data not captured. Sometimes the systems is unable to capture some required data which may be important for the data warehouse purpose. For example, date of order of product is missed, which may be very important for the analysis purpose. Next one is the increase the end user demand. As end users started using the data warehouse, the queries or request get started. Sometimes the frequent use of data warehouse or increase in number of users may lead to a drastic increase in number of requests which become difficult to handle. Next one is a data homogenization. In this limitations in data warehouse, the data different formats is converted into the common standard form. It means similar form, homogeneous form. So this is the basic needs of data warehouse, but because it data may lose its important values of characteristics. Next one is the high demand for the resources. The data warehouse required a large amount of data because of the high demand. Next one is the data ownership. It may be possible that it is necessary to load all the important data in the data warehouse for the decision making purpose. But in the business, some department or persons may unhappy to share their data as it may be affect their data ownership. Next one is the high maintenance. Data warehouse are high maintenance systems. The maintenance cost of the data warehouse is the high in case of recognitions of business process and the source systems. Long duration project. The building of the data warehouse is a long term process, and hence getting the benefits of the data warehouse may take long time because of its historical data of only particular department is captured, which is limit the functionality. And the last one is the complexity of the integrations. There are the various tools available for performing the different operations in the data warehouse. Integrations of all these tools to get the desired result is complicated task. So these are the few limitations of the data warehouse. Again, there is some issues are there related with our data warehouse, that is the latency, security, reliability, complexity, portability, and the cost of ownership. Now one by one I will explain this, what is this latency and other issues. So latency is one of the important issue related to the data warehouse. The impact of the latencies extend across the several layers inside the data warehouse, and the dependent applications and the cumulative leads to business decision latencies. Latency is the main reason behind the slow adaptations or rapid iterations from the data warehouse. Next one is the security, that is a data security. The data warehouse is the considered as a repository in the corporate world. The performance and scalability issue of the data warehouse may causes the data reside in the data warehouse become less secure. Next one is the reliability. It is again the data reliability. The island of data with the least control will give the multiple versions of truth even with the data warehouse being in the organizations. So the multiple versions of the truth indicate the failure of confidence in the data and its related the metrics, which eventually lead to reliability questions on the data. Next one is the complexity. As there are the loose and multiple distributions of the data, it leads to complexity of processing, which turns into the scalability problem. Next one is the portability. Because of the number of distributions, the data architecture is not consistent, and additional lack of governance in any case and non-maintenance of governance in the other cases created the issue with the portability of the data. And the last one is the cost of ownership. So the number of data warehouse needs the additional infrastructures, software for the maintenance the purpose. This will increase the cost, and in many organizations the budget of newer programs frequently get devoted towards such maintenance efforts. So these are the issues provided. One of the essential these are the some issues with the data warehouse. Thank you. Thank you.